What's good, everybody? So doing another video for y'all today, part 2, man. If y'all watched my first video of my exhaust, I feel like I was talking way too much in the video instead of letting people hear it. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a part 2 today, just all exhaust. You're gonna hear just the car and the exhaust. So look at my baby, man. I got her all cleaned up for this video. She looking good, looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up and down the driveway so y'all can hear it. I'm gonna pull off on the driveway up and down a couple times. Now if y'all, I don't know if y'all see, I can see that road right there. I'm gonna be going up and down that road too so y'all can hear the exhaust from a distance, because actually, believe it or not, I haven't even heard how the car sounds, you know, outside of the car. Still haven't heard it, because inside the cabin is a different sound than outside, obviously. So all I'm gonna do is drive up and down. I'm gonna just drive up and down that road right there, on going down, and then I'm gonna come up on the other side too so you can hear it. I'm gonna do one full throttle, one half throttle, and one, you know, like quarter throttle, just so you can hear the differences in sound, or if you can even hear it at all, maybe, because I don't know if you're gonna hear it. But let's get it, man. Let's go. Down the hill past the camera right now. Type R. Damn, them Type R's look, yo, they need to do a little something different with the Type R's next year, because they look too, they look just like the little hatchbacks. They need to change that up. All right, here goes another one. Like I said, I'm really hoping. Oh, you know what? No sport on this one. listen, man, I hope y'all like that video, man. It sounded good in the car, but I don't know how great it sounded from up there, if you could even hear it. But I guess I'll hear it when I listen to the clip or edit the clip. So take one more look at that baby, man. She just, it's something about it, man. Like I said, I wouldn't trade her for nothing, man. Only thing I'm gonna trade her for is a Hellcat or a Scat Pack when I get the money. So that's it, man. Hope y'all like this video. If you're not already subscribed, man, please subscribe, man. Hit that bell button. Make sure you don't miss no videos that we post up. And that's it, man. That's the Super 10, man. Part 2, baby. I'm out.